Be ready to assess learners' understanding of number concepts by creating and storing arithmetic questions in Question Library. This tutorial shows how to create an arithmetic question in Question Library. To begin, from the Quizzes tool, click Question Library. Click New and select Arithmetic Question. Give your question a title if desired. The title displays in the question list in Question Library. Then, enter the number of points you want the question to be worth. Enter your problem in the question text field. If you want to generate random numbers for your problem, enclose the variables in curly braces. Enter the solution to your problem in the formula field. Be sure to enclose all variables in curly braces. You can also refine answer criteria for your arithmetic question. Answer precision is where you set the acceptable number of decimal places the answer must contain. In the tolerance section, you can decide if you will accept near-accurate, estimated, or rounded answers. You can ask learners to provide the units to a question in the Units section. We do not require these fields for our sample question, so we will leave them blank. Next, enter the variables you used in your question. For each variable, you can provide a minimum and maximum value, as well as include decimal places or add a step value. A step value sets increments for the minimum and maximum values you choose for your variables. For example, a step value of 5 would only choose variables that are increments of 5, such as 5, 10, 15, or 20. For this question, we will leave the decimal places in step fields blank, but enter a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10 for each variable. Click Add Variable to include another variable. Preview how your question will display to learners by clicking Preview. Click Done when you are ready to exit the preview. When you are satisfied with your question, click Save. Your question is saved in Question Library. Be ready to assess your learners' understanding of number concepts by creating and storing arithmetic questions in Question Library.